How to fix bad audio quality on Discord mobile. Hello everyone, I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have an updated and latest version of Discord application on your device. So just go to the Play Store application over here and then search for Discord. So as you tap on the Discord application, you'll be able to see if you have any updates available for the Discord application or not. And if you have, then you just need to tap on update and update the app to its latest version. If not, then you can just go back and then tap on the settings icon, or you can just go to the Discord app and make a long press and tap on app info. And then tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, then clear cache and tap on OK. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the microphone option over here. So I've already toggled it on. Then what you can do is go to the settings of your device and then tap on sound and vibration. Make sure that you have a proper audio or a proper quality for your sounds on Discord. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.